Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our BMW 116 diesel 2016. From here I'm going to take you for a spin, let you see what the car is like, give you an idea of its manners, what it's like to drive, what is the fundamentals of it. Other than that, I'm going to put a link in the description whereby you can click onto our website for specific details about the car that no doubt I'll forget. But you can also go onto our website and apply for finance online, no obligation. The bank gets back to us, lets us know what they're looking for from you. But from there, I'm just going to point out by putting here the price you can own this car for by the week and by the month. Here we are out driving the 1 Series, and I'll speak firstly about 1 Series themselves. They're a proper BMW. There's no compromise in them. BMW's ethos has always been engine in the front, power goes to the rear, gearbox in the middle. This is the same. They all have 50-50 weight distribution, which makes for unbelievably good handling, but it makes you feel like you're part of the machine, like it's really thought, like I'm here, you know. We've a load of a load of driving modes in the car, which we can adjust all the way from eco, comfort, and all the way up to sport, and they all work. The car becomes quite dynamic. But this car, where this one wins for me personally, its rivals in the marketplace are the Mercedes A-Class and the Audi A3, and I do like them. The A-Class is lovely in the car. The Audi A3 always baffled me a bit, because the Audi A3 is very much a Volkswagen Golf in a sundress. It's nothing else, and you pay a lot for the privilege of having an Audi badge. It's a real case of badge engineering, and even weirdly, like the entry price point for an A3, sort of similar to this car, would actually buy you a really high spec Golf, but you'll buy an A3 with nothing on it just to get into an Audi. So I've always found that a bit bananas. And as I say, this car is a proper BMW. It's a small BMW, but that's what it is. It feels very much like a BMW, and it does all the BMW tricks. If you've watched our videos before, you'll know that I'm a mega fan of BMW's driving position, and this car is exactly the same. It's all completely adjustable, tilt, rig, everything, steering wheels in and out, you name it, it's all there. And on account of that, you feel very much part of the machine. Like BMW are their tagline, the ultimate driving machine, and they really are. And this is very much in that frame of mind. It's super comfy on the motorway. It's got a nice long wheelbase for a small car, so it just cruises along without any problems, and it just makes for a lovely machine. Other than that, it comes with all the spec, as I say. So we've got Sat-Nav, we've got phone connectivity, we've got the big screen here for infotainment, we've got BMW's iDrive. There's nothing missing from this. You certainly don't, unlike the A3, you wouldn't feel shortchanged by this. Like, the A3s are always kind of up in the air about them. You know, they're a perfectly good car, but I kind of don't get it. Anyway, that's enough about that and the car and all that kind of stuff. I'll just move on to us in this time period when you're buying from us through distance sales. Just to set out our stall, we're SIMI approved dealer, one of the first second hands to become a SIMI approved dealer. We are an AA approved dealer, which is a big feather in our cap because the AA are so brand protective, and for us it's a huge boon. So the car will come with 12 months AA warranty. It'll get a full service from us, and a full service from us means a full service. Like, you don't argue with us about tires and little things. Like, we just want everything right. You buy the car off us, and on the day you buy it, every piece of it works the way it should. That's our end of the deal. If we missed anything, we'll retroactively repair it for you. And then, other than that, we've a load of Google reviews and that kind of stuff. But the last point, actually, that I should have said at the start, if you like this sort of content, if you just enjoy these types of videos, or you'd like to buy off us eventually, click the subscribe button. Every car we have will get a nice video like this with a test drive and review and all that kind of stuff. There'll also be a link in the description where you can go to our website, all that kind of stuff, and get the proper stuff. But with that in mind, I'm going to wrap the video up there. Thanks for your time. We appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, but hopefully the video made your decision to come and see us a little bit easier, give you a kind of an idea of who we are and what we're about. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and hopefully we'll see you soon.